Hey there, this is Daniel St. Pierre with Cybergenica and Glorious Media, and today we're going to be taking a look at how to create promo codes in InfusionSoft. Let's get started, shall we? Well, first let's get to the promotions section of your InfusionSoft application by clicking the icon and then promotions, and we'll click Add New Order Total Discount. We'll create a name for our promo code, call it whatever you want. You want to go ahead and copy that name. We'll be using it later. And then we'll add a short description for this promo code. And make sure to enter the amount. We'll go $20 and we'll click Save. Next, and very important, we have to add a criteria to this promo code. We'll go ahead and select promo code from the criteria. We'll go ahead and paste the promo code name that we just created and click the Add button, and then you'll notice that the promo code criteria has been added. If you want to limit the date range for this promo code, and select the date range criteria, select a start date, select an end date, click Save, and now you have the date range criteria added. You want to make sure to click Save, and there you have it. Anyone using the promo code with the name giving-thanks will save $20 on their order total. It's that simple. Thanks for watching. Till next time, God bless you and yours as you endeavor to bring Him glory with your InfusionSoft application.